Chestnuts roasting on an open fire, Jack Frost nipping at your nose, Yuletide carols being sung by a choir, and folks dressed up like Eskimos. Everybody knows a turkey and some mistletoe help to make the season bright. Tiny tots with their eyes all aglow will find it hard to sleep tonight. They know that Santa's on his way. He's loaded lots of toys and goodies on his sleigh, and every mother's child is gonna spy to see if reindeer really know how to fly. And so I'm offering this simple phrase to kids from 1 till 92. Although it's been said many times, many ways, Merry Christmas to you. Sleigh bells ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening, a beautiful sight. We're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away is the bluebird, here to stay is a new bud. He sings a love song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman, then pretend that he's Parson Brown. He'll say, I am married, I say no man, but you can do the job when you're in town. Later on we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face the unafraid, the plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland, walking in a winter wonderland, walking in a winter wonderland.
The moon is right, the spirit's up, we're here tonight, and that's enough. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time, simply having a wonderful Christmas time. The party's on, the feeling's here, that only comes this time of year. Simply having a wonderful Christmas time, simply having a wonderful Christmas time.